Welcome to the channel. Did you know snakes are used in some very special ways? Watch till the end of the video to find out. The raw material intake process is operated on a high-capacity automated conveyor belt. A multi-axis robotic arm system performs surface cleaning with high precision and uniformity. Aerodynamic drying technology separates the epidermis, fully revealing the internal skeletal structure. The parallel cleaning line operates continuously, ensuring multi-point processing productivity. Robots locate and separate the meat block from the frame according to a pre-programmed process. A mechanical sorting mechanism completely separates meat and bone components with zero margin of error. The liquefaction grinding system converts meat raw material into a homogeneous liquid form through a closed piping system. High-pressure nozzles combined with compressed air remove microscopic impurities from the skeleton surface. A biosolvent soaking tank performs a deep sterilization and physico-chemical cleaning process. Separation robots disassemble individual rib structures and feed them into the chute. Industrial conveyors transport the entire skeleton into a high-capacity, coarse grinding system. Frozen bone fragments are loaded into the primary crushing chamber via a safety loading gate. A multi-tier roller system increases crushing pressure, effectively reducing material particle size. Mechanical screening separates large particles, ensuring uniform fineness for the refining input. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. High-tech ceramic balls perform the ultra-fine grinding process, completely eliminating the risk of metal contamination. The finished powder flows into an intermediate storage tank, preparing for the next stage. High-frequency vibrating sieves sort particle sizes with absolute precision, removing fine dust. Transparent screw conveyors transport powder in a closed environment, preventing external contaminants. Dosing ducts precisely fill powder into container units according to the set net weight. Laser sensors monitor the raw material level in the large storage tank in real time. Robots scan QR codes to verify batch data, ensuring traceability. Laser beams engrave identification marks directly onto material trays at high speed. Robotic arms take quality control samples periodically according to laboratory standards. A multi-point nozzle system distributes powder into satellite tanks with precision. Secondary grinders thoroughly process particles that failed to meet size standards after screening. Robots use laser-guided buckets to transfer material from the large storage tank. Automated nozzles feed material into the central mixing tank, preparing for the blending process. Transparent pipes supply continuous feed to the capsule filling machine, ensuring uninterrupted flow. Robotic arms sort and arrange finished capsules into trays in an orderly manner. The flexible line allows for rapid changeovers between different colored capsule specifications. Optical cameras control capsule surface quality right on the high-speed conveyor. A detailed view of the capsule shell cleaning process using multi-directional soft brushes. A multi-camera system eliminates visually defective products with absolute precision. Bottle capping robots perform tightening operations with strictly controlled torque. Robotic arms place finished jars into custom-designed packaging boxes, ensuring a perfect fit. Automatic printing and labeling machines update shipping information on each package. The carton sealing and labeling process ensures logistics security. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Specialized conveyors support the snakeskin reconstruction process, restoring its original shape. Automatic fleshing machines thoroughly remove adhering excess meat, cleaning the skin surface. Industrial cleaning brushes deep clean the underside of the skin sheet, removing organic impurities. Skin rolling, robots automate the semi-finished product warehousing process, optimizing space. Skin rolls are processed synchronously on a high-speed rolling line. Specialized polishing discs enhance the finish and natural gloss of the material surface. Tanning soaking tanks apply deep penetration technology, increasing physicochemical durability. A convection air drying system stabilizes the skin structure after the tanning process. Heating chambers to treat the surface, enhancing resistance to environmental impact. Close-up of robots intricately polishing every small detail on the snakeskin surface. Drying chamber temperature control via heat-resistant observation windows ensures stability. The combined rolling and drying process optimizes production space and time. CNC laser cutters shape phone cases according to digital designs with extreme precision. Robots sort and arrange cut parts at high speed, preparing for assembly. Precise laser beams ensure absolutely sharp edges with no fraying. Scrap collection robots automatically keep the machining area clean according to 5S standards. Forming presses ensure a durable bond between the leather layer and the case frame. Precision trimming knives remove excess material at the edges, creating perfect lines. Edge polishing processes create a smooth grip and high aesthetic appeal. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Ultraviolet UV chambers perform final sterilization and surface reinforcement of the leather. Durability testing equipment performs mechanical load and bending tests. Base coat application machines enhance the adhesion of the leather material to the case surface. Heat press technology is applied to colored leather product lines, ensuring color durability. Final polishing ensures sophistication for the premium colored leather case versions. Packing colored finished products into specialized packaging under color check lighting. Autonomous mobile robots stack pallets onto transport trucks at the shipping dock. Overview of the smart logistics warehouse, operating unmanned with maximum efficiency. Sea freight connects the global supply chain around the clock. A fleet of specialized transport vehicles delivers products to target markets. Real feel perception of the leather material via user touch at retail points. Unboxing experience with standard and luxurious packaging specifications. Exquisite design attracts attention in high-end interior spaces. Blenders mix the nutritional powder evenly, creating uniform fineness and complete solubility. Nutritional products integrate conveniently into a modern and active lifestyle. The powder's perfect solubility is verified practically during use. Expanding the product portfolio to premium leather wallet accessories with consistent quality. Material durability is affirmed through daily handling and contact.
Look at this texture. It feels amazing, and the color is perfect for the summer.
Comfortable and secure grip experience over long periods of use. Compact design, easy to store in pockets without feeling bulky. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more.
These Q3 projections are robust, especially the luxury segment.
And the margins on the snakeskin line are projected to double by Q4.
Exactly. This is our key growth area.
Impact absorption capabilities protects the device absolutely safely against accidents.
Look at the detail on this stitching. Truly remarkable craftsmanship.
Yes, and the texture of the python skin is exquisite, much better than the alligator.
Giant Cobra, the symbol of perfection in crafting technology and peak quality.